Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will solve this lab. First of all, log in your credentials, open Cloud Shell, continue, authorize it. These command link I provided in description box. Copy this command and paste it in Cloud Shell and press enter. Copy this and paste it here and press enter. For password back to the lab and copy this and paste it here and press enter. This command will take 4 to 5 minutes for completion. After command completion, back to the lab and check the check progress button and simply end this lab.